Got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me for you, falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore yard? Dressed in white one day on a tight rope. My mind spinning. Please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you?
Naligaw kami ng bus, guys. Kasi, sabi ng host namin, doon daw kami sumakay sa bus stop sa tapat ng Airbnb namin. Eh, yun pala. Sa opposite direction yon. So, imbis na parang 5 stops lang kami from Airbnb, punta kami sa kabilang side. Tapos, sabi ng bus driver sa amin, baba lang kami doon sa, yun, medyo malayo na yung narating namin eh. Tapos pinababa niya kami. Meron daw opposite bus stop. So, yun. Tumawid lang kami. Tapos doon kami sumakay. Tapos, ayan, 1:30 na. Ang lugar na ito ay Magok Station. Madali lang naman sundan yung map. Kaya lang talaga, sinunod lang namin yung sinabi niya na doon na mismo kami sa bus stop na yun. Eh, yun yung stop na galing airport. Akala ko, yun na. Pala, kabilang side. Ayun. Ang bait ng host namin. Sobrang bait. Parang, ayoko naman siya i-bother lagi. Pag magtatanong kung kaya ko naman. Kaya lang, kabibili nga lang namin ng climate card kahagabi. Buti na lang kasi, pag meron kang only na card, diba, kahit magkamali ka, okay lang. Kasi, pwede ka lang bumaba, tapos sakay ka na lang ulit. Eh, kung binabayaran mo yan lagi sa T-Money mo, diba? Feeling ko mas legal proof yung yung only, yung climate card. 7 days muna yung binili namin. Tapos bibili na lang ulit kami pag kailangan pa. Kasi baka pupunta kami sa Nami, hindi ko lang alam kung anong araw. Eh, hindi, yung climate card kasi hanggang, lang siya, pang Seoul lang. So, pag lalabas ka ng Seoul, hindi pwede. Kailangan mo T-Money or yung bili ka ulit ng mga single journey na ticket. And balikan ko kayo kasi ito, nirecommend nyo to restaurant na to. Iba kasi talaga yung restaurant sana na pupuntahan namin. Pero sabi niya, ito daw malapit sa Airbnb. Yung malapit namin yan, naligaw naman kami. Pero okay lang. Ayun, ito na yung building. Ang pangalan pala nitong restaurant na to, Ashley Queens. Ang dapat pupuntahan namin, yung yung napanood ko kay Tsuyang, yung mukbanger. Yun, QOO. Tapos, malayo ata yun. So, ito, pina-reserve niya kasi tayo ng 1 PM, daddy. Pero sabi niya, weekday naman daw ngayon. Ay, yan na. Weekday naman daw ngayon. So, wala naman daw pila. Kaya, okay lang. Ma-accommodate pa din naman daw kami malamang. Ayun, ito. Yung building niya. Ashley Queens Buffet. Tapos sinabi namin doon sa host na naliligaw kami. Tapos sabi niya, I'm worried you might be hungry already. Ang bait naman. 'Di ba? Nag-worry pa talaga siya, nagutom na kami. Kasi nga naman, lunch. Lagpas lunch na. 1:30 na. Ito na yon. At long last.
Okay na.
Yan sila. Saan kaya ang pasokan nito? Baka dito, dad. Tingnan mo sila. Tingnan ko dito. Baka dito. Wow. Oh, pagbukas mo sila ng pinto. 2. Hey, we're here. Dito. Try nyo dito guys. Ayun ang pangalan niya, Ashley Queens. Ito may takoyaki sila guys. So, sarap din. Ano yan? Milk? Condensed milk? Oh, don't touch it, ah. Ah, ikaw gagawa. Make your own waffle pala dito.
Kuha ka ng plate niya.
Doon kukunin yung mixture.
Kuha ka ng plate.
Ako daw tayong plate. Ito yung mga dessert nila guys. Oh. Uy, may chocolate. Tasha! There's chocolate there. I'll show you. Wow! Baka i-flip pa yan. Okay na yan.
Okay na yan. Dalawa.
Halika, I'll show you the chocolate. Come here. Here, oh, you want some? Here.
I don't even like that kind of chocolate.
I'll try it.
Okay.
So, may mga fruits din sila dito. May ice cream din. Parang Vikings, no? Tapos may coffee. Yan. So, ayan. Ito yung mga soft drinks nila. May juice din. 7 p.m. Tapos, andito na kami sa Hwaehyun Station Exit 1. Lalakarin namin papuntang Namsan Cable Car. Doon na yung tower, oh. Ayun, doon. Kita niya ba? Doon ka na. Ayan na yung tower, oh. Hintay lang natin sila, Daddy. Nag-CR kasi sila dito. Diyan sa building na yan. Kasi pumunta kami dun sa CU. Ito yung CU. Paglabas ng exit 1 ng Hwaehyun, ito sa CU, nice to CU, bumili kami ng T-Money card ng mga bata. So, ito yung itsura nung T-Money nila. Cute, purple. 4,000 won yung card. Tapos, na-loadan ko ng tig 10K. Asa na kaya sila? So, yan. Naghintay lang kami dito. No, ito lang. Yun. Oo. Doon. Ayun yung tower, oh. Ayun na sila.
Bukas ba yung cable car?
Oo. Ayun yung tower. Ayun na yung tower. May own decisions tayo. May sumalubong sa amin. Sabi, mag-bus na lang daw kami. Kasi daw, mahal daw dito. Okay.
Crazy like we never know. Stay soft, pretend my eyes are closed. How could I not see you're not the man you used to be? Two steps, one back. Oh, you got it like that. Front porch, outdoor, flowers on the floor. Yeah. Heart closed, tongue tied. Can't be feeling it again. Got me falling in love again. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore? You're dressed in white one day. It's out, my mind spinning. Please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you?
Only one person na pwede sumama dito sa elevator.
Bakit?
Iba mag-stairs.
Ito pala sinasabi ng mama. Mahal ng bayan. Tapos, siksik din naman.
Like a cyclone, I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me for you, falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore? You're dressed in white one day on a tight rope. My mind spinning. Please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you? You said things were different. What made you change it up? How could I believe what you're showing me? Yeah. Call me up, said I was dangerous. Toss up, have you lost the trust? How could I not see you're not the man you used to be? Yeah. Two steps, one back. Oh, you got it like that. Back four, set the score. What are we here for? Heart closed, tongue tied. Can't help these feelings that I got. Got me falling hard like sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen.
Okay, let's go. Tasha, careful ka ha. Collie, careful. Ayun, grown up na siya. Nahulog pa, oh. Oo, girl. Oo. Bukas.
Mami, kailan?
Any day, what do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore? You're dressed in white one day on a tight rope. My mind spinning. Please Crazy like we never know. Stay soft, pretend my eyes are closed. How could I not see you're not the man you used to be? Two steps, one back. Oh, you got it like that. Front porch, outdoor, flowers on the floor. Yeah. Heart closed, tongue tied. Can't be feeling it again. Got me falling in love again. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love just in one day? My mind spinning, please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way.
Sabi mo, welcome to Seoul Tower.
Seoul Tower.
Tell me, do you?
Welcome.
Ito, bakal siguro to.
Okay. Welcome.
Hindi din.
Hey, duduk.
May kurento sila.
Oo.
Udah di depannya itu. No.
Jump. Aboy, slow motion.
Hi!
Hi.
Oh, picture.
Mama, I like the cheese. It's so yummy.
Hindi mo naman kasi sinabi na yung jump shot ko, kita yung shot ko. So, yun na, yung tower. Alam nyo guys, sa 7 times ko na sa Korea, ngayon lang ako sumakay ng cable car. Kasi nga, ang mahal eh. Yung dati yata nag-bus kami ng friend ko. Oh, wait. Pang ilang tower ko na ba to? Yung first kami ni Ai. Tapos kami nila Mami. Ni Loli. Tsaka ni Daddy Ryan. Tapos kami nila Ninang Junie. Fourth time ko na dito. Fourth time. Ade, sarap sa'yo mo. Ilang star yan? 5 stars. 5-star rating. Ito. How's your rating? Ilang star?
And I like the cat.
Ha?
I like the cat.
Oh, 10 out of 10 daw. Ang rating niya. Dito sa ano. Saan kaya sila Lola? Hanahanap. Nagsi-CR yata eh.
Oh, look at this. Oh my God.
Hindi na kami aakyat kasi mahal eh. Mami, dito po yung may hawakan. Hawak ka dun, no?
May tayo titingin doon.
Pipicture daw po dito.
Dyan?
Sa bench? Okay. Polly, step. Uwi na kami, guys. Ayan siya paggabi. 7 ano na ngayon? 7 something. 7, ano oras na? 08. Pababa na kami. Ito yung ano.
Dad, my brother is without here, and he can't even eat Roblox record.
Madali.
Tasha's a girl